In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ETrade phone number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect so your contact details stay accurate and secure. First, sign into your ETrade account using a trusted device and a secure internet connection. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that prompt as usual. Having access to your phone or email is important here because you'll need it to verify the change. Once you're in, head to your settings. On desktop, look for Profile or Account Settings, often found under your profile icon or name near the top of the page. In the mobile app, open the main menu and select Profile or Account Settings from there. This is where ETrade keeps the controls for your personal details and security preferences. Inside Settings, locate the Personal Information section. You should see your saved contact details, including your current phone number. This area helps ETrade reach you with alerts, verification codes, and important updates, so it's crucial to keep it current. Next, find your phone number and click or tap Edit next to it. This opens a field where you can update the number. Type in your new number carefully and double-check for typos before you proceed. If you're outside the country your account is based in, include the correct country code. If you expect to receive text verification, make sure the number can receive SMS messages. After entering the new number, ETrade will ask you to verify it with a one-time code sent via SMS or email. Choose the method you can access right away. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. One-time codes expire, so use it promptly and don't share it with anyone. If the code doesn't show up, wait a moment. Check your Signal or email filters and use the resend option if needed. When the code is accepted, complete the change by selecting Save. This confirms the update and applies it to your account. You should see a confirmation message, and your new phone number will appear in the Personal Information section. If it doesn't display immediately, refresh the page or navigate back into Settings to view the updated details. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Profile or Account Settings, go to Personal Information, edit the phone number, verify with the code, and save. Keeping your phone number current ensures you get security prompts and account alerts without interruption. Thanks for watching, and keep your account information up to date for a smoother, safer experience.